Good day, dear students. I hope you are in a good mood today. Let's start our lesson. Term number 1, Lesson 10. Lesson objectives of our lesson are: interpret the information into a diagram, compare the climate and food of different countries in pairs. Let's watch the video and guess today's theme. What are we going to talk in our today's lesson?
It's even much colder. It's even too cold for trees to grow. You won't find trees in Antarctica, but some types of small shrubs, lichens, and algae somehow grows in this climate. Animals like polar bears and Arctic foxes are adapted to the extreme weather of the Arctic zones. Humpback whales and walruses live in the Arctic Ocean. Different types of penguins, including the emperor penguin, live in Antarctica. Now let's visit the tropical zones. These zones are the region of the Earth near to the equator and between the Tropic of Capricorn in the southern hemisphere and the Tropic of Cancer in the northern hemisphere. The tropical zone includes the Amazon basin of Brazil, West Africa's Congo Basin, and the rainforests of Indonesia and Malaysia. This climate zone experiences high temperatures all year round and lots of rain, and so the climate of the zone is very humid. Sugarcane, soybeans, rice, sweet potatoes, bananas, mangoes, cocoa, tea and coffee, etc. are grown in this zone. The climate of the tropical zone is perfect for animals like jaguars, anaconda, etc. And now it's time to visit the temperate zones. These zones are usually midway between the equator and the poles. This region includes most of Western Europe and some areas of the North America's west coast in the northern hemisphere. In the southern half of the world, the southeast of Australia, some areas of Chile and Argentina, and New Zealand have a temperate climate. The weather isn't extreme in this zone. They usually have warm, dry summers and short, rainy winters. A wide variety of animals, like raccoons, deer, and moose, live in temperate forests. In temperate regions, you can easily see trees like pine, deodar, fir, and spruce. These zones are well suited to agricultural production of rice and other crops. Let's see the climate zones once more. The coldest polar zone, warm and humid tropical zone, and the moderate temperate zone.
Okay, today we are going to talk about the climate and food. Climate: the general weather conditions usually found in a particular place. Food: something that people and animals eat or plants absorb to keep them alive. Vocabulary of our lesson are: polar climate, polarlı климат, Mediterranean climate, жерорта теңізі климаты, tropical climate, тропикалық климат, desert climate, құмды климат, cold, салқын, hot, ысы, irrigation system, суару жүйесі, figs, інжір, oasis, oasistер, nutritious, қоректі, date palms, құрма терегі. Answer the questions to the video. What animals can you meet in Arctic zone that meets polar climate? Malaysia, Indonesia, West Africa are there in tropical zone. What crops and vegetables grow in tropical zone? Do you like your country's climate? Let's read the text, page number 10, student book. First of all, I'll read, then you read it for yourself. In a polar climate, it's always cold. The temperature never goes 10 degrees above zero. It's very difficult to grow food here because the winters are very long and dark. People usually eat a lot of meat and fish, but not much fresh fruit or vegetables. Turkey, California, and southwest of Australia have a Mediterranean climate. It's hot in the summer and rainy in the winter. They use irrigation systems to grow crops like oranges and figs. Olive trees grow well in the Mediterranean climate because they don't need much water. The Mediterranean diet includes a lot of vegetables and not much fat. Saudi Arabia and Egypt have a desert climate. Daytime temperatures are high all year, but it can be cool at night. It doesn't rain very often, and not many plants grow in these areas. Date palms grow near oases. Dates are nutritious, and they are an important part of the desert nomads' diet. Malaysia and Congo have a tropical climate, with high temperatures and a lot of rain all year round. Plants grow easily in these conditions. Rice, bananas, and sugarcane grow on large farms or plantations. In these countries, people eat a lot of rice. Name the food items. Where do they grow? Your homework is exercise 5, page 10, student book. Copy and complete the table with information from the text. Country, polar system. What countries has polar climate? Climate. Describe polar climate. Is it cold, hot, or windy? And so on. And crops. What do they grow there? Vegetables, fruits, name them. And diet. So, good luck. The lesson is over. Thank you for your attention. See you soon.